Hey, Donald Miller here. All right, Donald Miller's Electrical Services. So we're on the 5,000 square foot rewire. All total, it took 15 days, okay? It was spaced out within 3 weeks. We did take Saturday and Sunday off only because we were working on average 12-hour days. So the way we did this rewire was Monday 12, Tuesday 10, Wednesday 12, Thursday 10, Friday we usually did a 10. We tried to we swapped Thursday and Friday, so we would do like a 12 on Thursday and then Friday we'd go back to 10. So I'm gonna walk it with you, all right, because we are done. We just got done patching and we just got done mopping the floors. So this is our final walkthrough. So if you want to know how we return a house after we do a rewire, this is how the house gets returned to you. All right, so this is a porch. Hardwood floors just got mopped with Murphy's oil. You can see all the trim work, all this area has been wiped down. All right. So that was the front door. It's dark out, so it's late, it's dark. Let's just get this walk through, all right? Here's our main foyer. We're taping off areas that we just got done mopping. It has to dry, all right? But this was one of our areas that we had holes. If you go to the first walkthrough, you can see where we had holes and where we didn't, and you can see where we patched. We did a structo patch, so it's a plaster patch. All right, we did recessed lighting. We did a cube in the center. And then we did our corners to kind of just blow the light up a little bit. And they're on dimmers, so I'm gonna dim them for you. Let's do so this is perimeter lighting only, all right? All right, so that elongates a room, it makes a room feel big, okay? Now if you notice, this room's about 24 foot wide, and that's how much light 4 recessed lights can do. So sometimes less is more when we're dealing with recessed lighting. Now let's turn them off. And here's our center lights, okay? Look how dark the corners are. Okay, center lighting makes a room feel smaller, okay? You don't want to do just center lighting. Center lighting is great when you're entertaining, but if you're looking to make a room feel bigger, watch, boom. So you can see how the corners fill the room in. All right. So let's do, and this is a room fully lit. Now we're missing a trim here. We didn't do any fireplace accenting. I think the room itself is a decent accent. I don't think you need anything in this room. If they were gonna do a portrait or something, we might have done like a couple accents there. Let's go upstairs. They have a landing hi-hat or recessed, and you can see it illuminates perfectly on the second landing. So we didn't need one here. All right, one on the second is fine. All right. Here's our holes again. All right, so this is right below the fireplace room. And if you notice, it's 24 foot wide. We only have 4 recessed in here, and you can see how well it illuminates the room. All right, same thing, we used a 6-inch recessed. Now we did 2 different sides. Oh, sorry, this way. We have track lighting here. We're gonna just go doink, turn that off. So here's our one side. All right. And here's our other side. One side's off, one side's on. All right. Bathroom was done. This was one of our tricky fishes here. Okay, just because the tile all the way to the ceiling. Same thing, tile was all the way to the ceiling on both sides, so it wasn't the easiest. And when we go into these rooms, this was those sconces that was tough to do. So again, this was never fun. This was the one room that I'm glad we're done, walked away. All right, we have a light bar. So for closets, light bars are awesome. All right, there's our light. Oh, there she is. All right, but look, that one little bar, look at that. It fills the closet up. All right, now let's show you the other light bar. So this is a 4-foot light bar, and this is a cedar closet. So these closets can get dark. And I need to see. There we go. Now that's a 4-foot light bar. All right, and look, it wraps around. Like it even gives you light over there. All right, so that's one. Now they could have done two. They could have done a 4 and a 2-foot here, but they opted with just one light bar. And easily doable with one light bar. All right, so let's keep moving. All right, so we have indirect lighting. We did not do this lighting design. It's okay. I don't like the two different colors here. This is a 2700 degree Kelvin bulb. That's like a 4000 degree uplight. I would have made them even. Now they did match there. So they go down, but you can see how yellow they are. It's a very yellow light. All right. So this is a secondary master bedroom. We did a 3.5-inch recessed light here. And again, 4 recessed light. Now they are a little smaller, so they're a little bit more spotty, okay? But that's what they wanted. All right, the one nice thing about these is how nice they dim. Like that is some nice dimming for nighttime, evening. You're relaxed, you're in bed. Again, a simple little pull chain there. All right, one more floor to go. Oh, so we did that one might need a little bit of touch up here, but we'll touch it up. We'll make sure all of our patching is 100%. You can see all the floors mopped, ready to be given back. They did ask for the ram board to stay in the first master bedroom. That way they can paint. And we leave that option up to the homeowner. If they want us to leave it down, we'll leave it down. All right, here we go. Here we are. Beautiful. All right. This switch was a little tough just because of the wall, but it's done. All right. This is another little tough area, was getting these track lights refed just because there was no access to it. Luckily, we were able to get down into this access here and drop down into another bedroom, and we pulled off an outlet for feed. So, it was a 5,000 square foot rewire. The guys worked great. The alternating 12-hour, 10-hour days to kind of get the sellers that sold the house actually didn't move out at closing, so it delayed the job a little bit. We had to wait for them to pack all their stuff up, move out of the house, so it delayed the job a week. So the reason we were doing 12s and 10s is we wanted to try to keep the schedule for the buyers and get them in this house. So we did 12-hour days, 10-hour days, and we just alternated. And whenever we had the energy, we just kept moving, all right? So this was a 5-man crew, and every guy worked their butt off to get this thing done in time. And the buyers are ecstatic. They're glad that they're able to move in. And yeah, all in all, I would say it was a success. So the house is re-energized. We're back up. We're gonna wipe down. We're cleaning the kitchen now. So as soon as we're done cleaning the kitchen, we're gonna mop it, and then we're out of here. So thank you for watching. God bless. Take care.